Our last song before we go to intermission. Boners for James.
Boners for James.
Okay.
You're all honorary members.
For posterity.
For posterity.
I mean, it's two trombones.
They did. So we're going to be doing a drinking song. Unfortunately, there are far too few drinks out here. So, from a similar person that is famous, I've learned a trick to get you tipsy. One trick discovered by not a school teacher, but as a musician.
How weird is this trick?
He's probably also. Do doctors hate this person?
Possibly. So, okay, we're going to need the audience to stand just for a moment. You can sit during the performance, but we're going to need to stand. Make sure that there's a little bit of room around you. All right. One trick, so one finger, point it up at the sky. Make sure there's enough room. And you're going to turn around 3 times pretty fast, but not too fast. You don't want to fall over drunk. That's just tipsy. Tipsy. Look at your finger.
Yes.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3.